One peaceful night, a little star lost its way and fell from the sky.
A kind-hearted bunny heard the soft crash and came to see what fell. "Oh no, little star, you look so lost," the bunny said softly. Together they set off on an adventure to find the star's home in the sky. The bunny was brave, and the star felt hope growing inside. At the highest hill, the little star felt the pull of home. With the bunny's kindness, its light grew strong again. The little star returned to the sky, shining brighter than ever, and the bunny learned that kind slates the way.